Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, September the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, the Killer Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the JigsawSudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, in Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 9314. 9314. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16 double those numbers. So I think it's a 0 stars. A 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Maybe it's a 1-star. 1-star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 1-star puzzle or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, here, and there. Always a 1. Single box. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? It contains the 1 and the 2. I see only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 2 is already given, so these 2 should be the 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. This box 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 here in the same area. So can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, we have a quadra box here. These 3 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. So the 1, the 2, and the 3 are left. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. And other numbers could be everywhere. Same for here, this quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And we have this one, the Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. All right, let me draw this here. When you see the S or the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Yep, it's already filled in. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, the Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. And that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Alright. Come on. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction, supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this Z construction for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is connected with that box, so 2 and 5. Need a 3 here, okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. And can be a 4. Okay. It's a quadra box. Yeah. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be should be a 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and 5. We have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 5 goes there. I think this. Oh wait. I need a 3 in this area. Well, this box can be 3. That box can be 3. So I only place level 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 5. I think this box should be a 3. This box can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. That means 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those boxes. So the 1 in this quadra box should be there, and the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finishes in 11 minutes. Well, told you I need to be faster than 30 minutes. So it's a 0 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we have 1 puzzle left. The Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.